The guy you see next to me doesn't need to use Google. Here is why.
Hey, I am Cap. I can do everything only using my body.
With his body, Cab can do wonders. He can start a fire with his hands and put off a fire with his feet. He can climb a coconut tree with his legs, husk a coconut with his mouth, open it with his muscles, and milk it with his hands.
100% organic.
And his tattoos?
I did by myself.
This 52-year-old is super fit and young because he only eats vegan food.
But sometimes you gotta eat fish.
Cap grew up in the small country of Samoa.
And in Samoa, we learn how to survive from our ancestors.
At a time where everything we know we get from the internet, it is refreshing to see people who can survive without it.
That's 1 minute. We'll see you tomorrow.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.